Welcome back. Kambala jockey Srinivas Gowda became an overnight star after his clip of running a 142.5 meters buffalo race in just 13.62 seconds went viral. Karnataka Chief Minister Kiren has felicitated Srinivas Gowda. Speaking to reporters, Gowda said that he was happy that the traditional sport of Kambala gained recognition through his feats. Stunned by his feat, Union Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju had offered him a role to get into the professional track and offer the training he needed to unleash his potential. But he decided to postpone it until after the current Kambala season ends on 7th of March. Gowda shot to fame after he ran 142.5 meters in 13.62 seconds, considered the fastest run in the traditional buffalo racing sport of Kambala. Netizens then compared him with the world's fastest sprinter, Jamaica's Usain Bolt, whose record 100 meters in just 9.58 seconds.
ನಾನು ಕಮಲ 7 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕಮಲಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕಂದಿನಲ್ಲೂ ಶಾಲೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು. 7 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕಮಲ ಓಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ ಈಗ. ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋನ ಇತ್ತು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರುವಾಗ ಅದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಕಮಲ ಅಂದರೆ ತನ್ನ ಕೃಷಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ. ಈಗ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋನ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಕೋನ ಓಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಕೂಡ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೋನ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಹತ್ತಿರದ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋನ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋನ ಇದೆ. ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಹೌದು.
We have started academy to give the scientific training. There we give the toughest training, and selection itself is very toughest and transparent. NIS coaches are giving the training to them. Even tomorrow Usain Bolt participate in Kambala. He cannot be like Srinivas Gowda.
हम तैयार है ट्रेनिंग करने के. एलिजिबल टेस्ट होने के बाद साई के साथ पूरा ट्रेनिंग का खर्च बढ़ सकता है. मार्च 10 तक उन्हें बिजी है. 10 होने के बाद कब उन्हें आएंगे उस दिन एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट करके ट्रेनिंग करेंगे.
This guy as of now, as what we plan is to get him to us. First he has to be conditioned from a rural kind of a running to a more formalized kind of a running. And he's definitely, if he's a talent, if we can work on him and if he can break tomorrow's records, who else would be happy rather than us? So whenever he can make available to us at the earliest, we are ready, we are equipped.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.